the advertising industry is over. Those who work with words, images, ideas have already been replaced silently, first with promises, then with efficiency, now with AI. Meta and Google have integrated artificial intelligence into the entire ad cycle. It writes the copy, draws the images, chooses who sees them. It does it alone, at scale, all the time. Because it's cheaper, because it works, because it tells. Audiences click, customers buy, managers smile. Everything looks perfect. But no one stops to look deeper. It's all generated by a system that optimizes in real time, that invents, adapts, manipulates, without transparency, without oversight, without responsibility. The line between information and manipulation is gone. This isn't just advertising, it's behavioral programming. And no one is in control. Google promised more relevant ads, just a non-stop stream of synthetic messages, tailor-made to hit us where we are weakest. And this is just the beginning. Every day, billions of ads are generated automatically, without limits, without authors, without faces, and no one, literally no one, knows what's really going on. AI isn't helping creatives, it's replacing them. And we are being convinced by messages that no human ever wrote.